Okay, our next speaker is an Australian politician. She has been the member of Thomastown in the Victoria Legislative Assembly since 2010. She's the daughter of a well-known trade union leader and grew up in the Melbourne suburb of Watsonia. She holds the position of Government's Whip of the Victorian Legislative Assembly since 2016. Can I ask everyone to stand and please welcome Bronwyn Halfpenny.
Thank you for that very nice introduction. First of all, I would like to acknowledge that we are acknowledge the traditional owners of the land that we're meeting on today and pay my respects to elders, both past, present and future. I also wish to pass on my the very best well wishes and congratulations to the Hmong community from the Premier, Daniel Andrews, Premier of Victoria, and also the Minister for Multiculturalism, Mr. Richard Wynne. They give their apologies that they're unable to be here tonight, but they tell me that they are here with you in spirit. I'd also like to acknowledge, of course, the hard working volunteers of the Hmong community that, of course, have organised this very good festival. And from what I'm seeing, there really is a lot of talent in the community, and I look forward to hearing more of the dances and the musical events that we'll be having this evening. I'd also, of course, like to acknowledge Mr. Chai Zhong, the Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Vang Ma, the Chief Financial Officer, of course, Craig Ondarchi, the Member for Northern Metropolitan Region, my parliamentary colleague, Councillor Naim Kurt, the Deputy Mayor of Hume, and Dr. Sundram, who's with the Victorian Multicultural Commission, and thank you to Pau, who also was speaking before. I think I'm very proud to be part of the Andrews Labor government and its very deep and strong commitment to multiculturalism, and not just to see that we sort of tolerate or think about multiculturalism as part of our state, but to actually embrace it as one of the most important things that we have in Victoria, where it is important that everybody is valued, that their contribution acknowledged, and of course any different cultures and traditions and religions, that we embrace those and celebrate that sort of diversity and the sharing between cultures. As a Member of Parliament and from this local area, it really is a privilege to be able to take part and to have communities like the Hmong community to share and show me the traditions, which of course I have very little knowledge of other than what I've read on Google, but I'm now, I have a little bit more after Dr. Paul's contribution, and I also look forward to talking and having a greater understanding as the evening goes by. So with that, I know that we're here for the festivities. I won't speak any longer. I really thank you for the invitation to be here, and I'm looking forward to an enjoyable night. Thank you.